Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to connect Wave to third-party apps in 2025. Now, while Wave doesn't have a built-in app store, you can use Zapier for integrations. All you got to do is visit zapier.com and create an account. You want to search for Wave in Zapier's app list and then just choose a trigger. It could be a new customer in Wave and then an action in another app. From there, just authorize your Wave account and complete your Zap settings setup and then test that. Now, integrating apps with Wave can save time and automate tasks. In the next video, we're going to look at how to back up your data in Wave, so stay tuned for that video. That's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.